How to use Gemini in Gmail emails. So if you want to use Gemini in Gmail emails, then first you just need to open up your Gmail. And before that, you need to open up your Gemini. So make sure that you have the Gemini Plus subscription, or make sure that you have the Gemini Advanced. So just need to simply go for upgrade, and you need to upgrade for Gemini Advanced. Once you've upgraded, then you will automatically have the Gemini option. So you will have this star-shaped icon on the upper right side of your Gmail. So here you will have the star-shaped icon of Gemini on your Gmail if you have the Gemini Advanced feature. So once you have that, you can simply click on compose, and you can reply to an email thread. And if you click on help me write, which is here, and then you can enter something like write a cover letter for a job in marketing. And then it will create, the Gemini Advanced will create the cover letter for you, and then you can insert it and it will help you in writing the emails. So that's how you can use Gemini in Gmail emails. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.